Melody-Anern all-in-one patented solar street light, multiple wattage for options. Anodic oxidation housing, all screws are made of stainless steel. Even coastal use is not afraid of rust and corrosion. The shell thickness is 3.0 mm, scientific and reasonable structural design. Strong wind resistance level even in cities with many typhoons. The solar panel adopts imported high-efficiency solar cell. The conversion efficiency is high and it can be charged even on cloudy days. We promise to use A-class new LiFePO4 battery. Reject defective and use battery, lifespan up to 8 years. Customized intelligent control system. By optimizing brightness and battery, we can continuous lighting for 8 rainy days at most. 25-degree adjustable optional of LED module. Double adjustable angle design can meet different road needs. Optional 24-hour work external camera, mobile app monitoring. You can watch the video anytime, anywhere. A variety of LED modules are available, there is always one for you. We are a professional manufacturer with more than 10 years experience specialized in solar lighting. Our solar street lights have export to hundreds of countries around the world. Best choice for high-end engineering road lighting project.